Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Are you
Good
fine?
morning, sir.
Good morning. Are you fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And you?
sir.
Yes, I am also fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, have you completed exercise
Good
3?
morning, sir.
Good morning. Have you completed exercise 3.1, 3.2?
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
No problem, sir. Resolved.
Okay, so let's move forward. Just complete the remaining questions. So, we completed exercise 3.2 yesterday. Today, look at exercise 3.3 of the chapter Commission and Taxation, and it is related to the tax as well as the discount. This whole chapter is related to income tax, education service charge, service tax. Similarly, the question related to the discount. So, first question is find the amount of tax on the price after allowing discount in the following items. Serial number, item, market price, discount percent, and rate of tax are given. Sticking machine, its market price is 12,000, discount percent is 15%, and rate of tax is 13%. We have to find out the amount of tax on the price after these discount and these rate of tax. फर्स्ट में मार्केट प्राइस में डिस्काउंट दिनुपर्छ, त्यसपछि ट्याक्स एड हुन्छ है. सो एट फर्स्ट we have to write the given things. Given things are market price is 12,000, discount percent is 15%, tax rate, tax percent is 13%, and question is to calculate the amount of tax. So we have the formula SP is equal to market price minus discount percent of market price. This is the formula. So read and remember it if you don't know up to now. यो फर्मुला याद छैन भने याद गरिहाल. Okay, market price is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. Now put the values. Value of MP is 12,000 minus 15% of 12,000. It is equal to 12,000 minus 15 divided by 100 into 12,000, and 12,000 minus 15 divided by 100 into 12,000. You can calculate it yourself. 0.15 ounces, 0.15 into 12,000. It is 1800. So subtract it. It gives us rupees 10,200. Selling price of the sticking machine after giving discount. Discount दिइसकेपछि यो मेसिनको प्राइस हुने भयो 10,200 रुपीज हुने भयो. We have to add tax to it. यसमा ट्याक्स एड गर्नुपर्छ, tax amount. So we have to calculate the tax amount from the selling price. So always VAT percent or tax, if VAT percent is given or if rate of tax is given, we have to calculate it from the selling price. यो याद राख्नु पर्यो कि जहिले पनि ट्याक्स सेलिङ प्राइसबाट क्याल्कुलेट गरिन्छ, अनलेस इट इज सेड टु क्याल्कुलेट फ्रम अदर. कहिलेकाहीँ एमपीमा ट्याक्स लाग्यो भन्दैला त्यो क्वेसनमा लेखेको छ भने मात्रै त्यो अनुसार गर्ने हो. अदरवाइज we have to calculate the tax from the final price or the selling price. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Rate of tax is 13%, so it is 13% of 10,200. 13% means 13 divided by 100 into 10,200. 13 divided by 100, 0.13 into 10,200. It is equal to 1,326 rupees. This is our required answer. So remember these formula. 1. SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. Another tax amount is equal to tax percent of SP. So by using same formula, we have to do other questions of one number. So you can do remaining questions of one number. If any problem comes, you may ask that to me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now look at question number 2. The monthly fee and admission fee which is paid by a student studying in class 1 to 10 of private school are given in the following table. How much total amounts does the school pay as tax at the rate of 1%? 1% को रेटमा स्कुलले कति ट्याक्स पे गर्नु पर्ला त्यो क्याल्कुलेट गर्न भनेको छ. So name of the tax is education service tax on the total annual amount of admission fee and monthly fee. Monthly fee र admission fee दुईटैमा यो tax हामीले पे गर्नुपर्छ. And this table gives the students grade, that means from class 1 to 10, number of students, monthly fee, admission fee once in a year. एकपल्ट वर्षमा पे गर्नुपर्ने admission fee. The question is lengthy, but the solution is easy for you. अलिकति lengthy calculation मात्रै lengthy हुन्छ. Its solution is equal to the question. यो question को जति लेन्थ छ त्यति नैमा solution complete भइहाल्छ. So at first, look at these students, 40 students of grade 1. Grade 1 मा 40 students छन् भने monthly fee 1200 छ. यो monthly fee 1200 कति month सम्म पे गर्नुपर्छ? Yes, for how much time we have to pay this fee?
12, sir.
12 time.
Yes, 12 चोटी पे गर्नुपर्छ है. This is multiplied by 12. And this annual fee is added once in a year only. एक पटक मात्रै यो पे गर्नुपर्छ. So it is added once only. So this 1200 into 12 plus 3000 is paid by all 40 students. यो एउटैले मात्र पे गर्ने होइन कि 40 स्टुडेन्ट्सहरुले यति पैसा पे गर्छन्. How much? यति पैसा
3000.
1200 into 12 plus 3000 times 40. यो 40 स्टुडेन्टहरुले यति पैसा पे गर्छन्. 40 students into 1200 into 12 plus 3000. दुईटै 3000 पनि 40 स्टुडेन्टले नै पे गर्ने भए. 1200 into 12, that is also paid by 40 student. So this whole value is multiplied by 40. यो पुरै 40 into 1200 into 12 plus 3000. यसरी यो आउँछ फी अफ ग्रेड 1. क्लास 1 को टोटल फी यसरी आउने हो. Is this concept clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Just look at this one again. You 38 into fee of grade 2 is 1300 into यिनीहरूले 12 month भरि नै पे गर्छन् plus 3000 add हुने भयो. And this gives us total fee of the grade 2. Grade 2 को fee निकाल्नलाई यो प्रोसेस हुने भयो. Similarly, we can calculate the fee of all grades. यो 2100 ले 12 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो. त्यसमा 5000 रुपीज एड गरिसकेपछि त्यसपछि अझै 30 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो to get the fee of grade 10. So look at its solution. Fee of grade 1 we have to calculate in this way as I just said. Are you observing this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This 1200 into 12 is the monthly fee of 12 month. 12 months सम्मको fee भयो. Plus 3000 annual fee add भयो. It is paid by 40 students. So त्यसैले यसलाई 40 ले multiply भयो. So it becomes 1200 into 12, 14,400 plus 3000. यो 17,400 भयो into 40. It becomes 6,96,000. Similarly, fee of grade 2. Check it. Fee of grade 2. There are 32 students in grade 2 and monthly fee is 1300, 1300 sa into 12. यसमा फेरि 3008 हुन्छ and that is multiplied by 38. So it is 15,600 plus 3,000. It becomes 18,600 and it is multiplied by 38, which is equal to 7,06,800 rupees. So can you calculate this one? Then I will write here 39 into bracket, tell its value of 1400 into 12, 1400 into 12,
16,800.
16,800 plus we have to add 3,000, then bracket is closed. Now 16,800 plus 3,000,
19,800.
that is 19,800. Now multiply it with 39.
7,72,200.
7,72,000. 7,72,000 only.
200.
200.
7,72,200.
200. Okay. Similarly, fee of grade 4. यसरी नै यो पनि क्याल्कुलेट गर्नु पर्यो. So calculate it. There are 42 students.
18,000.
Yes, 1500 into 12, 18,000 plus annual fee 3,000 and it is equal to 42 into 18,000 plus 3,000, 21,000. Okay, multiply it. 42 into 21,000.
38,22,000.
38,22,000. यति धेरै आयो त? माथिल्लोमा त 7,72,000 मात्रै आएको थियो. 7,72,200.
No, sir, only 8 to 2. No, 82, sir, 82.
8,82,000.
82,000. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 8,82,000.
8,82,000. Please calculate again if you have not calculated properly. एकचोटि फेरि चेक गर्दा हुन्छ.
Yes, sir. 42 multiplies
Yes,
by
sir.
21 is equal to 882.
Okay.
8,82,000, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस्तै
8,82,000.
गरी सबै फी क्याल्कुलेट गर्नुपर्ने हो. फी अफ Kopila, do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, you raised the hand, so I asked it to you.
By mistake, sir.
Okay. ल यो सबै क्याल्कुलेट गर्नु पर्यो. फी अफ ग्रेड 5, फी अफ ग्रेड 6, फी अफ ग्रेड 7, फी अफ ग्रेड 8, ग्रेड 9 and grade 10. अब ग्रेड 10 हेर त यहाँ कति छ? I calculated it and found 9,06,000. So I am waiting for you so that you can calculate these. यहाँ टोटल भ्यालु मात्रै लेख्छु ल. क्याल्कुलेट गर त फास्ट. यो 1600 into 12 त्यसपछि प्लस 3,000 अनि त्यसलाई फाइनली 45 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो.
87,75,000.
Yes, 8 lakh. Please repeat it.
9,99,000, I think.
9,99,000. Is this right? Others have calculated or not?
Yes, sir.
It is right.
Yes, sir. 99,000.
Okay, next one. Calculate the fee of grade 6. 1700 into 12 गर, त्यसमा 3,000 एड गर, त्यसपछि त्यसलाई 36 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर.
1,28,400.
1 lakh or 10 lakh?
8 lakh.
Please recalculate. Others also tried, not only 2-3 persons. Ajit, Sangeeta and 1-2 are trying, others are not trying.
Yes, sir. 8,42,400.
8,42,400.
Yes, sure. 842
Yes, sir.
400.
Is this right?
Yes, sir.
So now calculate the fee of grade 7.
10,200.
9 lakh
10,200.
10,400.
200.
200, sir. 9,10,200.
Yes, sir.
Others also check it. It is right or not?
Yes, sir. That is
Right,
true.
sir.
Next, fee of grade 8. 1900 into 12. त्यसमा अब 4500 छ यहाँ. अघिको जस्तै 3000 नै एड गर्ने होइन, यहाँ 4500 छ एनुअल फी.
9,28,200.
28,200. Others also check it
Yes, sir.
to confirm. 1900 into 12. त्यसमा 4500 एड गर्नुपर्ने and that is multiplied by 34. So calculate the fee of grade 9.
9,28,000, I think.
9,28,000.
Rupees
Yes, sir.
9,28,000.
28,000.
Exact.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
After calculating these all fees, यो जस्तो 6,96,000, 7,06,800, 7,72,200 यो सबै भ्यालुहरु अब एड गरेर हाम्रो टोटल फी आउँछ. Add these all values. यो बीचमा सबै राख्नु पर्ने हो यहाँनिर. That is 7,72,200. त्यसैगरी plus next one 8,82,000 plus add these all. यो सबै एड गरेर त कति आउँछ? Add these all fee from grade 1 to grade 10. 10 सम्मको सबै फीहरु एड गर. Same time I have seen
79,44,400.
44,400.
79,44,400.
Is this right? Others also check it. $79,44,400. Others also once confirm it.
49 lakh.
Yes. एकजनाले अझै confirm गर त then I will move forward.
Sir, I think it's 49,63,000.
Only 39,63,000.
I don't know.
No, near about there are how many values are there? 10. And एउटामा लगभग 8 लाखको आसपास लगाए नि 80 लाखको आसपास त हुने नै हो. Isn't it? 1 2 3 4 values त 9 लाख क्रस छन्. 4 5 values. त्यसपछि 8 लाख 7 लाख 6 लाख. Near about यति नै हुने हो, but confirm it. Once add it or check it again. We have to add these all values. यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्मका सबै 6,96,000 देखि 9,60,000 सम्मको यो बीचमा आएको सबै भ्यालुहरु एड गर्नुपर्ने. Confirmed?
So that is the answer, I think. Again, I tried and the answer is same.
Okay. Then let's move to next one. Rate of education service tax is 1%. It is given in question. भनेको यो टोटल फी को 1% एजुकेशन सर्भिस ट्याक्स लाग्छ भनेको. अब यसको 1% क्याल्कुलेट गर्नुपर्ने हो. 1% of total fee. Total fee भर्खरै कति निकाल्यौं त हामीले? We calculated it 79,44,400. यो क्याल्कुलेट भयो. अब यसको 1% निकाल्नु पर्यो. कति आउँछ? 1/100 गरे भने यो रुपीज 79,444 है. And this is our required answer. हो यति नै हो त हाम्रो आन्सर. Do you have any confusion in it anywhere?
No, sir.
ल यो एउटै क्वेशन थियो, अलि लेन्दी क्वेशन छ. यस्तो क्वेशन आयो भने 5 मार्क्स को क्वेशनमा आउने हो एक्जाममा. So if it is clear, can I clear these writings? यो अहिले लेखेको भ्यालुहरू क्लियर गरौँ. Okay. So next question. Look at this one now. Question number 3. The monthly income amount and annual tax-free amount of the persons who are working in different occupations are given in the following table. Find the amount of annual income and amount of salary of month after deducting the tax according to the table of income tax which is given in the previous page. एउटा टेबल हामीले सुरुको दिन डिस्कस गर्दाखेरि यो टेबल हेरेका थियौँ. लुक एट दिस वान. सिंगल पर्सन भनेको अनम्यारिड, फर कपल भनेको म्यारिड. यिनीहरूको लागि ट्याक्स रेटहरू डिफ्रेन्ट ट्याक्स रेटहरू थियो नि. अप टु 3,50,000 अनि 4 लाखसम्म 1% रेट. सिंगलको लागि अनम्यारिडको लागि 3,50,000 टु 4,50,000 सम्म 15% ट्याक्स रेट. अनि म्यारिडको लागि 4 लाख टु 5 लाख it is 15%. These rates are given. We have to use these rates for the solving of the question. Okay. Now in question number 3, first one given is the person Shiv Narayan. Shiv Narayan भन्ने एउटा मान्छे छ. His monthly income is 25,000 and tax free amount is 15% of income. भनेको उसको जति इन्कम हुन्छ त्यसको 15% मा ट्याक्स लाग्दैन भनेको. He don't have to pay the tax for his 15% of the income. जो 25,000 इन्कम छ त्यसको 15% इन्कममा ट्याक्स लाग्दैन. एन्ड ही इज अनम्यारिड. अघिको टेबलमा भएको म्यारिड र अनम्यारिडको लिस्टबाट अब हामीले यतातिरको फर सिंगल पर्सन यो लेफ्ट साइडतिरको ट्याक्स रेट युज गर्नु पर्यो फर अनम्यारिड पर्सन, फर सिंगल पर्सन. सो लेट्स मुभ इट इन सोल्युसन. Monthly income of Mr. Shiv Narayan is 25,000 and we have to calculate the amount of annual income. Annual income निकाल्नु पर्ने, त्यसबाट ट्याक्स फाइन्ड आउट गरेर फेरि मन्थली ट्याक्स यो मन्थली इन्कमबाट माइनस गर्नु पर्ने हो है. एनुअल इन्कम इज 25,000 into 12. एनुअल भनेको वर्षभरिको, फर अ होल इयर, इन्कम अफ अ होल इयर. So if 25,000 is multiplied by 12, it becomes the annual income.
3 lakh.
Is this 3 lakh?
Yes, sir.
Out of this 3 lakh, 15% is tax free amount. यो बाट 15% मा tax लाग्दैन. So it is 15 by 100 of 3 lakh, which is equal to 45,000.
Yes, sir. 45,000.
45,000. Now अब यो 45,000 3 लाखबाट माइनस गरिसकेपछि ट्याक्सेबल इन्कम आउँछ जुन इन्कममा ट्याक्स लाग्छ. So we have to subtract the 45,000 from 3 lakh. It gives us the taxable income. Taxable भनेको जुन इन्कममा ट्याक्स लाग्छ, in which tax is added or tax is levied from this income, from the taxable income. Taxable income बाटै ट्याक्स लिने हो. That is 2,55,000. अब 2,55,000 उसको taxable income छ. According to the question, up to 3,50,000 for a single person, tax rate is 1%. This is given in question. 1% of taxable income up to 3,50,000 for unmarried individual. Unmarried person को लागि 1% tax लाग्छ. So tax the person Shiv Narayan have to pay. यो Shiv Narayan भन्नेले पे गर्नुपर्ने भनेको 1% of 2,55,000. So calculate it. What is its value? 1% of 2,55,000. 1 by 100 दुईटा 0 cancel हुन्छ. 2,550 rupees. This is the tax
sir.
amount for a whole year. यो अहिले भर्खर हामीले निकालेको इन्कम एनुअल इन्कम थियो, त्यसैले यो ट्याक्स पनि वर्षभरिको लागि ट्याक्स हो. So monthly tax we have to find out. Monthly tax यसलाई 12 ले डिभाइड गर्नु पर्यो. 2550 divided by 12, which is equal to 212.5. And how much Shiv Narayan will receive? Usko salary 25,000 sir, 25,000 but 212.5 rupees as a tax काटिन्छ, deduct हुन्छ. So salary after deducting the tax is equal to 25,000 minus 212.5. Subtract it. After subtracting this tax, how much Shiv Narayan will receive?
24,787.5.
Okay, 24,787.5. This is our required answer. Is there any confusion in any line, or if there is any
Confusion, sir.
problem, you may. Yes.
No confusion, sir.
No confusion.
Okay, if there is no problem, let's move to one more question related to married person. अब अघिको लागि अनम्यारिड को लागि हामीले क्वेशन सल्भ गरेका थियौं भने अब म्यारिड को लागि हेर त. For married person, person's name is Himmat and his monthly income is 40,000. 40,000 monthly income छ. Tax free amount is 2 lakh. अघि 15% of income भनेको थियो, अहिले 2 lakh भनेर लेखिदिएको छ. This is tax free amount and he is married. Okay, process is same, but we have to check the table from the right side. तिमीहरुको बुकमा भएको राइट साइड तिरको म्यारिड पर्सन को लागि कस्तो रेट छ त्यो युज गर्नु पर्यो है. Now in its solution, at first monthly income of Himmat is 40,000, then annual income is 40,000 into 12. It is 4,80,000 and tax free amount is 2 lakh. 2 lakh tax free छ भने total income बाट tax free amount minus गरेपछि taxable income आउँछ. Taxable income is the income in which tax from which tax is deducted. Tax काटिने amount हो. It is 2,80,000. We get its value 2,80,000. So tax rate is given 1% of taxable income up to 4 lakh for married couple. अब यो 2,80,000 भनेको त 4 lakh पुगेन. So he have to pay 1% of his taxable income. Tax amount is 1% of 2,80,000, which is equal to 1 by 100 of 2,80,000. What will be its value?
2,800.
2,800. So this is the tax amount for Mr. Himmat. Total वर्षभरिमा पे गर्नुपर्ने. So monthly tax is 2,800 divided by 12. 12 ले divide गर्दा 233.33 आयो. And subtract it from his salary. Monthly salary 40,000 बाट यो minus गर्यो भने his salary after deducting the tax is 39,766.67. Is this clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similar type of other questions are also there. यो 3 number को income tax सँग related question मा अरु पनि छन्. तिनीहरुमा कुनै problem आयो भने you may ask me in tomorrow's class. So complete the questions of exercise
Okay, sir.
3.3. So let's move to exercise 3.4. It is related to dividend. जस्तो previous exercise हाम्रो income tax अनि education service charge त्यसैगरी discount सँग related थियो. Now new chapter is related to the dividend. Find the total dividend and dividend of each share from the following table. Total shares are 2,50,000. एउटा कम्पनीमा total share 2,50,000 छन्. Rate of dividend 23% छ. कसबाट दिइन्छ? Total profit 8 crore profit भएको छ भनेछ. And number of shares are 25,000. Total profit 8 crore. Dividend of each share. I think we will unable to finish it. Okay. So we will discuss about it tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Discuss
Yes.
these questions tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir, for
Have a
teaching
great
us.
day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And complete the exercise 3.3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.